I want to show you how to edit your column widths and even your row height in Excel. You can see that these are too wide for the column, and that's why you're getting these number signs, because the contents are too wide for the column and it's not showing the entire contents. Your data is also cut off over here. There are several ways to do this. You can go to the Home tab, and under the cells, you can go to Format and change your column width to exactly what you would like it to be. You can auto-fit the column width. So for example, if I go to this column, I'm just going to highlight it by clicking at the top. And if I tell it to auto-fit the column width, notice what it does with this column. It auto-fits it to the longest column entry. So it will look at the entries and the data in that column, find the longest one, and it puts a little bit of white space after it and auto-fits it to that longest column entry. You can do that for all of the columns at one time. Another way that you can adjust your column width, you can highlight the columns and you can drag anywhere in between either one of these columns, and it will increase the size or decrease it according to how you've dragged it, and it will make it the same for each of those columns. Another way that you can do this is to auto-fit the columns again, but in this case you can highlight everything, and the way that you can auto-fit is go between any of these columns and double click, and it will auto-fit to the longest column entry, which is in this case it will be the column headings. And another way to do that is to select the entire sheet here and choose any of the column headings, click in between, and it will auto-fit those.